Assalamualaikum and good morning. Welcome back to my class. Okay, for today's flipped classroom, we are going to learn about the final part of photosynthesis, which the title of Importance of Photosynthesis. Okay, at the end of this class, make sure you are able to, the first one, okay, you are able to list all importance of photosynthesis, okay, why we need photosynthesis so much. And second would be justify the importance of photosynthesis. Okay, you are going to explain why, what is the importance of photosynthesis, and also we are going to relate between respiration and photosynthesis, which means the respiration we have learned before this, and also now we learn about photosynthesis. What are the importance and what are the relationship between both processes? Okay. Now, why photosynthesis is very important? Because we are going to look at the carbon and also oxygen cycle. So, what is carbon and oxygen cycle? Basically, it is about the carbon dioxide in the air, and also it is about the oxygen gas in the air. So, in this world, we have us, okay? Humans live in this world. Second, we have our friends, elephant, animals, and also here rabbit. So this represent the animals, this one will represent humans, and also we have plants. So all of these are living things that live in this world. Okay, the three of us, all living things, will carry out respiration, right? So every time we do respiration, which means we will take in oxygen. It's because from our previous knowledge, respiration will take in oxygen and later will release carbon dioxide. So this is the relationship between oxygen and also carbon dioxide. Besides all living things inside this world, we have also all the vehicles and also all the engine that will use up fuel, and also we have factories or houses in this world that also will use up fuel that will undergo the process of combustion. The process of combustion also will use oxygen and also will release carbon dioxide in the air. So, from our observation here, all of us, whether living things and non-living things, will use oxygen and will release carbon dioxide. If these things happen continuously without any change, what will happen is the oxygen amount in this air, the oxygen amount in the air will become decreased, lower and lower. But what happened to the carbon dioxide? Yes, good. It will become higher and higher. But we have our friends here, which is the plants, which is play very important part in this world, that they will do photosynthesis. So, what is the relationship? Okay, very good. Photosynthesis, yes, they will take in carbon dioxide and also they will release oxygen. So, if you see from the carbon and also oxygen cycle, you will see that only plants that will carry out photosynthesis will save our world by taking in carbon dioxide and also by releasing oxygen. So, this one make photosynthesis is very important in our world. Okay, now here the importance of photosynthesis. The first one, they will balance the ecosystem and also carbon dioxide content in the air and ecosystem. So like I said before, like carbon cycle, okay, they will take in carbon dioxide and also will release oxygen. This will maintain the amount of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the air. Second, they will provide oxygen gas for all living things to undergo respiration. Yes, if all living things just depends on the oxygen content in the air as naturally, we have not sufficient oxygen for respiration process. So that's why we need photosynthesis to provide us with oxygen gas. And the last one, become the most important source of food. Yes, okay, this is about food chain. Okay, basically food chain and also food web will start with the producer or the green plants. Okay, and last one, as the source of raw materials for many industries. For example, peppers, we need peppers from plants. We need furniture also from the woods, from the plants. Okay. Now, this is the final part. This is the group assignment for you before we come to class on Tuesday. Okay, on the next class. So, make sure you learn about, you know about the group assignment that I assigned you. Okay, the first group assignment is, Okay, as usual, in a group of 4, you are going to prepare a discussion about justify the importance of photosynthesis. Why photosynthesis is very important? You may take my point just now, and also you may come up with your own idea. Justify why. And the assignment number 2, okay, also in a group of 4, you are going to prepare what will happen to our world if there is no plants. So what do you think will happen? No plants, no green leaves. So what happened? So you discuss in your group later. And also number 3, this one is the most interesting part. Okay, in a group of 4 also, you are going to understand and also to answer this question. If the moon will be the new habitat for human, what would you do to ensure we able to survive on moon since there is no water, soil, minerals and plants there? So we are going to live on the moon. Okay, so boring with world, with our earth, so we are going to the moon. So you are going to design your new habitat on the moon. How does it looks like? So this will be the hebat question that we will see on our class. Okay, in our class later. So what should we do? Okay, first in your group, you are going to form 4 students and also discuss the assignment. Okay, and also we are going to write the proper way in our margin paper, and later we will present it in our class. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. See you in our class.